Peace, family. Welcome back to the King Cam Daily Vlog series. And this morning, I just wanted to invite y'all into my little project. Got a little project going on, so I'll check it out. As you can see, I got a flat tire. Early in the morning, I'm out here changing the tire. So, I'm trying to check that out because, you know, this is all part of the game. It's all part of the game. So I got to change the tire. Ladies, sisters, make sure your man learn how to change the tire. Invaluable information. Invaluable skill. Whoa. What? Woo. Whew. That thing was on tight. Alright, so now that we done got all the bolts loose. I'm trying to get this out because my bolts, I believe my bolts done got stripped. So that's why they're not coming out easy. So I gotta use an alternative method to knock them out. There you go. Knocked it out. Alright. So, changing a tire 101. First thing you need is a jack. Got my jack right here. You gotta jack the car up so we can make sure that we can successfully pull this tire off. I showed y'all earlier the spare tire that we're gonna put on. Now, I gotta jack this up just a little bit higher. Oh, what? Okay. Jack that up just a little bit higher so that we can successfully remove this. And we're gonna have to jack it up a little bit higher than that because it's still on the ground. Alright. Alright. Okay. So I think we got some clearance. Got clearance. Boom. Tire is off. Tire is off. I'm trying to figure out where this bad boy went flat at. And I don't see no hole in it. But nonetheless, we might can go get a patch because I don't see no hole. See, sitting on the inside. All right, let me see if I can move this around a little bit. All right. So right now, I'm examining my tire, trying to see if there's a hole in it or anything. And right now, I don't see a hole. So what I can do is throw the spare on and then take this bad boy to get patched. See? Nah, it got some wear and tear on it. It got a little wear. Hopefully y'all can see this. Let me see. Undo the camera. Alright, there we go. See on the inside, right here, right there, that's wear and tear. Same thing on here. So, you know, you still got plenty of tread on the middle though. So what we might do is we try to conserve this bad boy, because we not about to spend a whole bunch of money. So, but in the meantime, in between time, we'll roll that out the way. All right. And now we're gonna throw the spell. So what you do is go ahead, line it up. Boom. Voila. As y'all can see, it's lined up. So now it's on there. So what we gotta do now is throw these bolts back on. Alright, so we're gonna throw the bolts back on there like that. Throw that bolt on there like that. Throw this bolt on here like that. Throw this bolt on here like that. Throw this bolt on here like that. Ladies, this is the advantage of you being with a FOI, you know, and also of the brothers that's not in the ranks getting the training. Because any brother, whether you're a FOI or not, you should know how to change a spare tire. But the proper tools are necessary. Because this would have been hell without this jack. I'm going to tell you that right now. Using that little kit that they be having in the back of the cars with the little old jacks in this thing, ain't gonna cut it. You be slumped out there. So proper tools are important. The 4-way, gotta have the 4-way, and you have to have the jack, professional grade jack. So sisters, if you're looking for a good Father's Day gift, birthday gift, you understand me? Get your man a professional grade jack, and they be on sale too. Like at Harbor Freight, they be on sale. All right, so now we're just about to figure out the size. All right, that's not the right one. So we're gonna figure out the size on the 4-way real quick. Boom. Tighten this bad boy up as much as possible. You dig? Tighten this thing up as tight as we can get it. And actually, now that we got it down here, we're gonna go ahead and lower it. So when we start to let this bad boy down, see? Now we let it down. Now we can go ahead and tighten these up. Boom. Tighten up. Boom. Tighten up. Boom. Tighten up. Boom. Tighten up. Super tighten up. So we're gonna tighten that up. Yeah, we're gonna tighten that up good. We just let this thing all the way down. There we go. So we have successfully changed the spare tire. All right. So again, tools that you need. Whoa, my bad, y'all. Tighten that up so we don't have that happen again. Professional grade jack, 4-way. Spare tire. That's what you need. All right. So super easy, and it's a must-have skill because the sisters can't be out changing their own tires. So that's how my day started. Now we are about to go and see if we can get this other tire patched and put back on here so we can take this spare off. All right. See y'all in a minute. Oh, and I don't know if y'all met Kane, my personal protection dog, as well as my family dog. So he was out here with me the whole time, making sure ain't nobody run up on me while I was trying to change my tire. You know, so move this antifreeze, B. So you might have seen him come across the camera, or you might see him in the background of some of the videos. But yeah, that's Kane, the personal protection dog, personal protection German Shepherd right there. You know what I'm saying? That's that West German Czech cross right there. You dig? So, Kane, come here, bro. Here. Hey, say what's up. Hold on. No. Jump up. Say what's up. Say what's up to the camera, yo. Hey. Say what's up to the camera. Say what's up. What's up, guys? My name is Kane, and I'm a black German Shepherd. Yes, I do bite people. Yeah, but he's cool though. He's cool. He don't bite unless he's told to bite, so he's cool. So, all right, y'all, we gotta hit that tire shop. All right, guys, so I done made it to the tire spot. They inspecting it. They just let me know that I can't get a plug. I gotta get a new tire based on those the wires I was showing y'all earlier when we was changing the tire. So gotta wait and see what the price gonna be for that. Gotta get a new tire. Shoot! Wasn't planning on doing that, but hey, it is what it is. So I guess that's what was causing the slow leak. The tread on the inside was coming on. Okay, how much? $42. $42? Mm-hmm. All right. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. 42 smacks, bro. 42 bucks. Hey, it is what it is. But we are in the Kwanzaa celebration. This is the 4th day for the 4th principle. So, Habari Gani, which is what's the news, is Swahili for what's the news. And today, what's the news is Ujamaa. Ujamaa is the news. Understand? So that means building our own businesses, supporting our own businesses. Understand me? So, if you're not in the Kwanzaa spirit, get in the Kwanzaa spirit and coincide with the teachings. Cooperative economics, it coincides with the teachings. You know, the most honorable Elijah Muhammad told us, do for self or suffer the consequences. So cooperative economics hits that right on the head. That's doing for self. You know, we got to get out of this, you know, this mindset of us being separatists, whether it's Pan-Africanist, whether it's Muslim, whether it's Hebrew, Israelite, Christian, more. Understand that we all are one nation. And under one nation, we need cooperative economics. We need our own land. We need our own infrastructure. We need all of these different things, our own educational system. We need all of these different things so we can really be free. And that's what this is about. It's about being free. We're all in the front lines for liberation. So let's act like it. And let's start imploring these things. It's 2019. We go through the same routine year after year. When it comes to Kwanzaa and things like that, we understand what we need to do. We have the laws of Mott. We have the 7 principles. We have the teachings. We have all of that now. In 2019, let's implement it. Let's start putting into practice. Faith without works is dead. So we can teach this all day long, but if we don't start to use it, then it's not going to yield no benefits for us. So we need to start and use it. So let's come together, man. Let's unite as a people before we have to suffer the consequences. Do for self or suffer the consequences. Getting that Kwanzaa spirit, that Kwanzaa movement. Today I might mob on down to Kwanzaa event and shop with my brothers, because that's what we got to do. We got to support. You know, so when you see a table that's offering black cartoons, black reading material, get that. When you see a table that is offering cultural items, get that. Because you don't have them items readily available, so get that. You know, in Atlanta, the nation got your supermarket, your cleaners. Support that when you come in Atlanta. Support the black-owned businesses. You got Blue Seas Express, the famous Blue Seas Express, which is a restaurant that features our dollar steam table. Check it out. Support black-owned. It's real. All right? Now I'm gonna get back in here and see what Hector doing with my damn tie. Peace.